Hey everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Valentine's Day sensory bin in 4 easy steps. So step 1, as you see here, is to grab an empty container. As you see here, I just have a clear Tupperware bowl. You can use any type of bowl or any type of container that you want to use as long as it's empty and there's enough space to add some fillers to it. Step number 2 is to choose your base or your filler for the sensory bins. You can choose anything. You can choose rice, you can choose beans, you can choose lentils, oats, whatever your heart desires. Now for this particular project, I decided to use some rose petals and some streamers because a lot of the kids that I work with tend to put things in their mouths, so I opted to go for things that are not edible. So these are the fillers and the base that I chose for the Valentine's Day sensory bin. Now I got these rose petals from the Dollar Tree, so that's one of my favorite places to shop for different crafts and activities like this. Next, you see me ripping some of the streamers just to add a little bit more volume to the bottom of the sensory bin. Now, tearing the streamers is a great fine motor activity for your kiddos, so that's something else that's a bonus for doing this type of sensory bin. Now step number 3 is what I call the knick-knack stage. So basically you're going to get a bunch of knick-knacks or different objects that you can add to the sensory bin. So I actually had a few of these things already lying around the house. I had some pipe cleaners, I had some white cotton balls, some red pom-poms, some beads, and then I also stopped by my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and picked up a few extra things. So I picked up these heart felt stickers. I picked up these red felt numbers, and I also picked up this cute heart confetti.